Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching my channel. My name is Isaac, simple and real, and in this channel we should talk about issues concerning averting HIV and sexually transmitted infection stigma in our society. And we should say that being positive about HIV is not necessarily being HIV positive. Thank you. Today I want to talk about something different, and let us ask ourselves a simple question. Can mosquitoes transmit HIV? Remember, during this season that I'm putting this video online, we are in a season of heavy rainfall. It's the month of May, and especially in Kenya, we are experiencing a very heavy rainfall, and even there's flooding. And you remember that mosquito usually breeds well in stagnant water and places with tall grasses. So at the moment it's inevitable for us to have mosquitoes in our environs. So can mosquitoes transmit HIV? My answer is no. But why? Remember that mosquitoes are known to transmit various viral and protozoal diseases that are known to be very harmful to human health. For example, mosquito can transmit Zika virus, filariasis, malaria, dengue fever, and so many more. Also Rift Valley fever and yellow fever. But why can't mosquitoes transmit HIV virus? Let's learn. Number one, all those diseases that mosquitoes can transmit, they can get infected by them. So mosquito usually transmits what they are already infected with. However, mosquitoes are not infected by HIV virus for some reasons. Remember, when I was talking about the HIV life cycle, I said that CD4 T lymphocyte cell of humans usually have receptors that have a high affinity of recepting the viral glycoprotein projections so that infection can take place or replication of the virus can take place inside now the CD4 T lymphocyte cell of a human. However, the antibody cell in the mosquito are not receptive of the HIV virus. Therefore, when the mosquito ingests a virus from a human, the virus automatically gets digested by the mosquito digestive materials, and therefore it is not transmitted. Number two, mosquito, when it bites a human, it usually releases saliva. The proboscis, or the eating part of the sucking part of the mosquito, is divided into two. We have the sucking part, and the another part is for releasing saliva or the digestive materials while it is sucking. So when it is sucking blood from a human, the other part is releasing saliva and not the virus. However, even if the sucking part had leftovers of of blood with the virus that had not yet been digested, the volume of the viral composition is very little, and you need to be bitten by so many of the infected or of the mosquitoes carrying the virus for you to get an infection. Remember, saliva is not a good harbor for the virus, so it does not support the thriving of the virus. and saliva cannot transmit the virus. So for this sole reason, you're sure that mosquitoes cannot transmit HIV virus. Also, there has never been a research proven or indicating that mosquito at one given point transmitted the virus to a human. So for all these reasons, this is a main reason why I'm saying that mosquitoes cannot transmit HIV virus to humans. Are we together up to this point? Thank you. So, as we're talking about mosquitoes, please remember that, especially during heavy rainfall or during while traveling to tropical areas or places prone to malaria, remember that covering yourself with treated nets or applying lotions that are repellent to mosquitoes, it's a very important thing to do for you to prevent yourself from mosquito bites. Remember, mosquito bites can transmit you malaria, which at some point it can get fatal. Also, there are other diseases that I have mentioned earlier, like filariasis, like dengue fever, like Rift Valley fever, yellow fever, that are also very fatal, or when a human gets infected by them. So remember, during rainy season, while traveling to places that are prone to malaria and other mosquito transmitted diseases, always sleep under treated mosquito nets. And also, if you cannot access treated mosquito net, always apply mosquito repellents or other preventive or mitigative factors that can prevent you from getting infected by these diseases, or by preventing you from mosquito bites. Are we together up to this point? Thank you. This is where I end my lesson today. Kindly, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. My name is Isaac, simple and real. Bye bye.